Former President Donald Trump announced he would revoke temporary protected status, also known as TPS, for immigrants currently living in the U.S. under that designation. This comment follows a series of false claims he has made, including one about Haitian immigrants allegedly eating pets in Springfield, Ohio.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there.
And that placed TPS at the center of many discussions about immigration. But what exactly is TPS? Congress created TPS in 1990 to give migrants from countries considered unsafe a chance to live and work in the U.S. for a limited time if they meet the specific requirements set by the U.S. government. The Secretary of Homeland Security is responsible for designating a country for temporary protected status. To get TPS, migrants must file an application, which is reviewed individually and approved or rejected. If approved, applicants can work legally in the U.S. and are protected from deportation for up to 18 months. People covered by TPS should not be confused with undocumented immigrants. But protections under TPS are reserved for people who are already in the United States at the time of the designation. To be eligible, a person must be a national of a designated TPS country and have been continuously physically present in the United States since the date specified by the U.S. government. TPS alone does not lead to U.S. permanent residency or citizenship unless the applicant seeks to change their status through other immigration processes.
Individuals don't qualify for TPS if they've been convicted of a felony or 2 or more misdemeanors in the U.S. They're also ineligible if they've been involved in the persecution of others or engaged in terrorist activities. They're also ineligible if they don't meet the requirements of continuous residency or miss the deadline to apply or reapply for TPS without a valid reason. Currently, 16 countries have TPS designations: Afghanistan, Cameroon, El Salvador, Ethiopia, Haiti, Honduras, Myanmar, Nepal, Nicaragua, Somalia, South Sudan, Syria, Ukraine, Venezuela, and Yemen.
The Secretary of Homeland Security can end TPS for any designated country, but must first review the situation and decide if conditions in that country are still applicable for TPS. If the Secretary determines that conditions have improved, TPS can officially end. TPS holders who leave the United States without first obtaining travel authorization may lose their status and will not be able to re-enter the country. As of March 2024, about 863,880 people were living in the U.S. under TPS. The largest population of TPS holders live in California, Florida, New York, Texas, and Virginia.